What are the rooms like on the Virgin Voyages cruise? Let's talk about it. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a room tour, but before that, we're going to talk about some helpful things to know about rooms on the Scarlet Lady on this Virgin Voyage cruise, so let's dive in. By the way, if you're new here, yo, I'm Christine, and this is Where in the World is CL, where I make travel videos every week to help you get up, get out, and go travel. So if you like to travel, consider subscribing. Make sure you check the description because this is one of many videos about my Virgin Voyage cruise, and there might be something else in there I really want you to check out. So check that out and let's move on. Helpful to know is around 2,700 passengers fit on the Scarlet Lady, and there are around 1,400 cabins. The basic menu is inside, sea view, Sea Terrace, and then Rockstar quarters. But if you want to get into the details of all the different kinds within that, check the link in the description below. And also helpful to know, Wi-Fi is included. My room is on the 10th floor, and it's actually, I like being on the 10th floor. One of my favorite things about the room is that every time you walk in, the curtains just open up, which is really nice, and you can control those curtains from the tablet, but we'll get there in a sec. As soon as you come in, you've got the closet with all of my crap. There's a lot of crap in there, but you got a really adequate closet space. You can hide all your crap. And then you have more storage on the side where I've been keeping all my fun hats. Let's talk about the bathroom. Oh. The bathroom is nice because you actually have a glass door. It's not just a shower curtain. And so you have a really nice shower in which the water comes from the top or from little hosey thingy. And they do provide your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash too. We got little makeup towels, hold our toothbrushes, little soap bar, extra storage. We haven't been folding up the bed, but the bed folds up to become a couch if you want more space in your room, which I'm gonna take a nap right after this, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Folds up. And we got Meatball in the corner who's on his laptop. And one of the things that's awesome is they have this little table where you can use it as a laptop stand or turn it sideways so it's a little bit more of a table. And actually, to be honest, the Wi-Fi on this ship has been phenomenal. I've been doing video Zoom calls with perfect connectivity, which is unlike the other cruise I was on recently. So if you are actually here to try to get some work done, which hopefully you're not, just know that you can stay connected. So focused. One of the things that I love that they do is they provide still and sparkling water, and they fill it up for you every day. So we got our little ice bucket with my dead roses in it, and we also have our still and sparkling water here. What's in here, you might ask? A fridge. Oh. Make sure you watch my helpful tips video about things to know, but you can bring 2 bottles of wine per stateroom, although their wine selection on ship is phenomenal. Little extra storage. Got a little seat down here. And when my crap isn't all over the desk, you have adequate desk space if you want to sit at the desk. Oh, let me tell you about the room controls. This is actually really cool because you can control the entire room from your tablet, which is really nice, especially when you're laying in bed, totally hungover, and you want the curtains to open. Change the lights so I can make them brighter. I can change the room temperature, or we can just create moods. Earlier, I'm still hungover, but you can choose your mood. Yeah. Bye. Sexy. Meatball, that's your cue. Oh, obviously there's entertainment and other stuff. Food delivery, blah, blah, blah. You get it. Ooh, fresh towels. Anyway, let's go outside. I love this curtain decor, so good. Boom! And outside you have this really amazing outdoor space. And it's nice because you have a hammock, so you can enjoy the view whether you're sitting in the seats or in the hammock. It's really pretty. You get the point. Well, there's your room tour. If you got some value out of this video, cheers that like button, consider subscribing, and make sure you check the description. And I'm gonna take a quick nap because I'm hungover, and then I'm gonna go play dodgeball. And if you're curious, do you actually get a workout on this cruise? Join me in my next video because I'm gonna talk to you about it. I'll see you over there. Ciao.